Alright, so let us try to solve this problem. So the positive difference between -5 and p is the same as the positive difference between -1 and 2.5. So which of the following could be the value of p? A, -8.5, B, -6.5, C, -2.5, or D, 6.5. So the correct answer for this problem is actually letter A, -8.5. So let me teach you how to get that answer. So it says that the positive difference between -5 and p is the same as the difference is the same as the positive difference between -1 and 2.5. So it says that it's positive difference. So if you're going to subtract -1 and 2.5, there are two ways to get that, either this or this. So -1 minus 2.5 or 2.5 minus -1. So if you're going to subtract the first one, -1 minus 2.5, it's the same signs. So you might wonder why it's the same signs, because you can write -1 minus 2.5 as -1 plus -2.5. So that's why it's the same sign. If it's the same sign, you add the numbers and then copy the signs. So 1 plus 2.5 is 3.5, and then copy the sign, the negative sign. Well, 2.5 minus -1, so it's 2.5 plus +1 is 3.5. So you might wonder, why is it like that? The rule for subtracting integers is actually just you copy this and then change operation to plus and then change the sign to its opposite. That's why it becomes -1 plus -2.5. Also, the second one, copy it and then change the sign to plus. Change the operation to plus, and then change the sign of the next one to its opposite, which is positive. So that's why it's like that. It becomes -1 plus -2.5 and 2.5 plus 1. So now the result is -3.5 and 3.5. But then it's considering only the positive. So we're only taking the 3.5. Now, since it's the same, it's saying that it's the same with -5 and p difference. But there are the same as the previous one. There are two ways to write it. So I'll just use another color for that. So -5 minus p, it should be equal to 3.5, or p minus -5, which is equal to 2.5. So it can be that there are two answers for this. So let's solve the first one at the left. So we're going to separate the one without the variable p. So we're going to add 5 on both sides, so that this will be 0. -5 plus 5 is 0. And what's left is -p. And 3.5 plus 5 is 8.5. Now we still have a negative sign at the side of p, so we're going to divide negative in both sides. So -1, because negative divided negative is positive, so that it becomes a positive p. And 8.5 divided by -1 is -8.5. Different signs, if you divide, it's negative. So p can be -8.5, which is the A. Now let us check if there are two answers for this. And at the right side, it's p minus -5, which can be written as p plus +5 equals 3.5. So we're going to subtract 5 on both sides, so that we can remove this, so that what's left at the left side is only p. So 3.5 minus 5, so they are having different signs, positive and negative. So we subtract 5 minus 3.5 is 1.5, and the sign of the bigger number is negative, so it's -1.5. So these are the two values of p, so that it follows the condition on top. But there is no -1.5. There's only -8.5 in the choices. And so the answer is -8.5.